A very good morning, aspirants. Welcome back to our channel, MPSC Easy Learning. In today's lecture, dated 2nd of May, we'll be covering the most important current affair questions of the day. Our session consists of 10 questions from specific Maharashtra, India, and world content. I'll also be covering previous year questions and with analysis which points are important for the upcoming exam. So, let's start with question number 1. In which city was May Day first celebrated in India? Option A Chennai, option B Mumbai, option C Jaipur और option D Ahmedabad. आपका सही आंसर है option A Chennai. If we see, May Day was first celebrated in India in Chennai in the year 1923 and International Labour Day was first celebrated in USA, Chicago. The celebration in India was organized by Labour Kisan Party of Hindustan, and May Day is also known as Labour Day or Kamgar Divas in Maharashtra. Like I have mentioned over here, this question was asked in MPSC Clerk Prelims. It was a two-statement question. The first statement was, May Day is also known as Labour Day or Kamgar Divas in Maharashtra. And the second option was, May Day was first celebrated in the city of Chennai in 1923. So आपके option 1 और आपके option 2 दोनों सही था. Question number 2. The state of Maharashtra was formed on which date? Option A 1st May 1960, option B 1st May 1970, option C 1st May 1950 या ऑप्शन डी 1st May 1990. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 1st May 1960. The state of Maharashtra was formed on the date of 1st May 1960. Here I have mentioned certain important points from Maharashtra geography perspective. This topic is included in the chapter of Physiography of Maharashtra, and Physiography of Maharashtra is an important topic from your prelims perspective. The first governor of Samyukta Maharashtra was Shri Prakash. The first CM of Samyukta Maharashtra was Yashwantrao Chavan. There were 26 districts and 299 talukas in Maharashtra in 1960. A question on this point has been asked in Rajya Seva prelims. It was a very basic question. They are just asked how many districts and how many talukas are present in Maharashtra in 1960. The geographical extent of Maharashtra is 307713 square kilometer, and the coastline of Maharashtra or north-south extent, ये दोनों same है, that is 720 kilometers. East-west extent of Maharashtra है 800 kilometer, and as per 2011 census, population of Maharashtra is 11237433 CR. ये क्वेश्चन आपके कंबाइंड प्री में एक बार पूछा गया था. Again a very basic question that as per 2011 census, population of Maharashtra कितना है. The last point, in India, the state of Maharashtra has the maximum number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Here I have put up one question. Do let me know in the comment section that how many UNESCO World Heritage Sites does Maharashtra have and what are their names. Next question, question number 3. In which state is the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary located? Option A Kerala, option B Tamil Nadu, option C UP या option D Goa. आपका सही आंसर है केरला. Recently, Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary has been in news because an elephant named Arikomban has been terrorizing villages in Kerala and causing a lot of losses to the farmers. And Arikomban, if you see, that means rice tusker. And they have caught the elephant now and taken back to Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. I have even put up an image of the elephant Arikomban. Some important news from Kerala perspective. The first point is Kerala has the highest sex ratio in India as per census 2011. और कितना है 1084. A question on this point has been asked in Railway Recruitment Board, Orissa staff selection, and even in MPSC. The question is usually asked like, as per 2011 census, which state has the highest sex ratio? Otherwise, they also ask, as per 2011, Kerala has the highest sex ratio. So what is it? So your answer will be 1084. Vembanad Lake, located in Kerala, is the longest lake in India. The country's first ever water metro is located at Kochi. Where is Kochi? Kochi is in Kerala. For the first time in the Indian history, the Sri Krishna temple in Kerala has introduced a mechanical elephant to perform temple rituals, और ये elephant का नाम है Raman. Fifth point, recently Kerala government has also started a stipend scheme for young lawyers where the state is going to pay about 3,000 rupees per month to them as a stipend. Next point, in a first ever initiative, Kerala government rolled out menstrual leave for girl students above the age of 18. So Kerala has become the first state in India to ever have such an initiative. The last point, which is very important, Kollam district in Kerala has now become the country's first ever constitution literate district. Let's move on to question number 4. What is the name of Saudi Arabia's first interactive talking robot? Option A Sara, option B Apsara, option C Mahira या option D Jia. आपका राइट आंसर है ऑप्शन ए सारा. So who has created Sara? Sara has actually been created by a collaboration between Saudi Digital and QSS company, like I have mentioned over here. And she has been designed by the Emirates. Certain features of Sara includes that she responds to inquiry, firstly. Secondly, she can speak in multiple dialects. And even she can perform dances. So this will play an important role in Saudi Arabia's tourism industry. Question number 5. Which ministry has launched the India Handmade Portal? Option A, Ministry of Textile. Option B, Ministry of MSME. Option C, Ministry of Rural Development. And option D, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. इसका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ टेक्सटाइल. सो हियर वी नीड टू नो कि ये पोर्टल लॉन्च किसने किया था. ये पोर्टल लॉन्च किया था यूनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ टेक्सटाइल्स पीयूष गोयल जी. ही हैज लॉन्च दिस पोर्टल एट गुजरात. ये पोर्टल लॉन्च करने के पीछे का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये था that the viewers come in direct contact with the common people, so that common people can directly purchase the goods from the viewers and there is no responsibility or any meddling work by the middlemen. Question number 6. When is Ayushman Bharat Divas celebrated every year? Option A, 30th April. Option B, 29th April. Option C, 28th April. या ऑप्शन डी 27th April. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 30th April. Here are mentioned certain important points in regards to the scheme. Ayushman Bharat scheme was launched in September 2018. This scheme provides coverage of up to 5 lakh rupees per year per family for secondary and tertiary hospitalization. अभी secondary और tertiary care में difference क्या है? So for example, if you go to a specialist, like if you got any heart issue and you go to a cardiologist, so cardiologist आएगा आपके secondary care में. But if you need an even specialized treatment, such as your surgery of hearts, which is also known as cardiovascular surgeries, so वो आपका आएगा tertiary care में. और if you say neurosurgery, वो आएगा आपका tertiary care में. The expense covered in this scheme is shared between center and state in the ratio of 60:40. ये ratio पूछा गया था उत्तर प्रदेश के पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में. Again a very basic question, that what is the ratio? It is 60 and 40. The scheme Ayushman Bharat has subsumed which two schemes? Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana and Senior Citizen Health Insurance Scheme. Last point, this scheme has led to increased access to quality health and education. Question number 7. Who has been recently appointed as the first CEO of LIC? Option A, Siddharth Mohanty. Option B, Kaustubh Shah. ऑप्शन सी पीयूष मेहता या ऑप्शन डी अभिलाष नायर. आपका सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए सिद्धार्थ मोहंती. इससे ये पॉइंट इंपॉर्टेंट है कि LIC फाउंड कब हुआ था. LIC फाउंड हुआ था, LIC was founded on the 1st of September 1956. A question on this point has been asked in SSC MTS, that when was LIC found, and the options, there were options, and your right answer would be 1st September 1956. LIC is under the ownership of Government of India, but the Ministry of Finance has administrative control over LIC. And the first ever company to offer life insurance coverage was the Oriental Life Insurance Company in Kolkata in the year 1880. Question number 8. How many episodes of Mann Ki Baat have been completed recently? Option A 100, option B 200, option C 300 या option D 400. आपका सही आंसर है option A 100. Certain important points in regards to Mann Ki Baat are: the first episode कब लॉन्च हुआ था? फर्स्ट एपिसोड लॉन्च हुआ था 3rd October 2014 में on the occasion of Vijayadashmi. A question on this point has been asked in Andhra Pradesh Police Constable Prelims. The question was, when was Mann Ki Baat launched? So that was launched on 3rd October 2014. 50th episode कब हुआ उसका? 25th November 2018. 100th episode 30th April 2023, and this episode was also broadcasted live at the United Nations Trusteeship Council Chamber headquarters. And in the 4th episode, US President Barack Obama was the guest. What is Mann Ki Baat exactly? Mann Ki Baat is an Indian program where Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he addresses people on various social issues. Social issues like that of khadi, use of khadi clothes, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, benefits of yoga, and also selfie with daughter campaign. So what is selfie with daughter campaign? एक overview समझ लेते हैं हम. Selfie with daughter campaign was actually launched by Sunil Jaglan in the state of Haryana in order to raise awareness under a very grave issue, that is of female feticide. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji had also appreciated his efforts for the initiative. Your last point, an initiative of addressing people on radio was first started by US Prime Minister Franklin Roosevelt, and that time उनके शो का नाम, उनके एपिसोड्स के नाम थे Fireside Chats. The last question for the day, question number 9. Which country is recently using the guided bombs? Option A Russia, option B China, option C USA या option D Ukraine. आपका right answer है option A Russia. Here I have added 5 questions from Maharashtra geography, Maharashtra history and economics and polity. So इससे आपका GS का revision हो जाएगा. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. We are also available on Instagram and on Telegram. On these 2 social media handles, you can get in touch with us. If you've liked today's lecture or you've got any sort of constructive suggestion, demands or doubts which you want us to address, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely look into it. Thank you for watching. I hope you all have a great day ahead. Jai Hind.